Y'all see these braids? They gave us braids. Hey girlies, so it is 6:06. I need to be up out of here by 7:30. Today's wig is from 𝐻𝐻 Hair. As you guys can see, y'all know 𝐻𝐻 is one of my favorite companies. It says this hair is undetectable HD lace 5x5 lace closure wig, and it's 18 inches. So, but y'all, let me take this hair now off because we gotta get into this. All right, y'all see this? These braids, they did the dang thing with them braids. I kid you not. Got rubber bands at the end. I don't know if y'all see that. Y'all can see it. It's got the little rubber bands on the end so it can stay it. This is the wig up close and personal on the back of my hand. As you guys can see how everything is blended. And that's just my hand under there. It's giving straight up scalp. Stop playing. Y'all see this? Unit comes pre-bleached, pre-cut, pre-plucked, and y'all can see it just giving scalp out of the box. I don't know if you guys can see it, but right here is some baby hair. This is the inside of the wig. It does have the elastic band. This is what's gonna make our install glueless today. It does have the design on the elastic band as well, which is, I just call them grippies. When you adjust your band, it stays in place and it does not move. These are the curls and the texture of the curls. So it does have like a slight smell to it, but you only can smell it like when you come up on it like that, but it's giving like new hair smell. So pull this back. Y'all, oh my gosh, this wig is freaking style. Like I said, I haven't tinted the lace or anything. I'm about to be done quick, y'all. I thought I wasn't gonna be able to be out of the door by 7:30. It's 6:28. So let's not procrastinate. I'm gonna go with my Juvia's Place bronzer palette. I'm gonna use this shade, this one right here, because this is the one I used to contour with. We're just gonna dust this all over the lace. And you can use cream foundation. I say this all the time. You can use cream foundation, you can use concealer, whatever works best for you. So this is how it looks once I put the powder all over the lace. So this is me shifting it all the way to a side part. See, that's the thing about 5x5 closure. You can do what you want. Ooh. When I tell y'all this wig ain't going nowhere, it is secure. So the sides do come, they still lifting up just a little bit, but it depends on how you're wearing it because you're not gonna be able to really see it. The middle is snug. The middle ain't going nowhere. So yeah, we're gonna do a little wig test. Now I know a lot of you probably say, who could be shaking their head around like that? Oh girl, I don't know. You might be at a concert somewhere, okay? You might be shouting in church one Sunday. I'm just cracking myself up. But for real, your wig ain't going nowhere. I do want to just put just a little bit of lace spray around there. Alright. Now I'm just going to take the end of my comb and just push it down lightly. Y'all know how closures has this little thing right here? I'm just going to cut this off. Because that, we don't need that little piece. And I love this lace, like the way the lace feels is super soft. Alright, I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. I'm gonna cut this little piece off. I don't know what is all this stuff on my scissors. So now we're just gonna put our band on for a few minutes. While I'm letting that melt, I think I'm gonna go ahead and define the curls. I'm gonna lightly mist this unit with some water. Y'all see this? So I am getting shedding, so that's just keeping it a buck with y'all. All right, I'm going in with some mousse to lock in the curls. I'm going with my diffuser. Wait, I need these ends to be on one accord. That's the most important part to me, is the ends of the wig, the curls at the bottom. So I just normally take my brush and then flip my wrist like this and pull it out just so the curls can form. Alright, so now I'm going up with my diffuser attachment and put this on warm. Alright, so it's not 100% dry, but it's gonna do for the day. Take this band off, and it's giving what it's supposed to give. Not against the. I'm gonna go in and fix that baby hair. Some of my got-to-be glue spray. Sprayed on my brush and swoop. Alright, so y'all know I was famous for them little bumps. I don't know, I think it's sitting up perfect. I think it's sitting up fine by itself. I mean, you could lay it down if you don't want it looking like that. You could do what you want. I don't think I'm gonna pull a hot comb out. Alright, so going in with my Ruby Kisses foundation, I'm gonna mix the two shades. Sometimes I feel like this one is too yellow on its own by itself. So I'm gonna mix that yellow shade with that the deeper shade. Okay, see, it looked like I did something, but then it looked like I did absolutely nothing. Okay, that's what we're trying to give. So this is, I can't believe I'm done. I retouched the curls, and you didn't really have to do that either, but y'all know me, I'm extra. It is 7:12, y'all, and I said I had to be finished completely by 7:30, and I got time to spare. Stop playing with me, okay? So this is the end of the video. It was super quick, y'all. I love this color, y'all. It's a very subtle chocolatey brown. So if you girls are scared of color, definitely try out this unit. Also, for my girls who do not like long curly hair at all, baby, this is your time to shine. This is your time to shine. Now, it is still a little damp. Your density also depends on the products that you use. If you just use water alone, your wig will be at its maximum density. If you use mousse, and a lot of mousse at that, I did use mousse, but I use more water than mousse, so this is why it looks like this. If you use a lot of mousse, it's gonna make your density of the curls look a little more thinner. Do be mindful, this is curly hair, okay? Please get products that are for curly hair. Like, this is high maintenance. Curly hair is high maintenance, so you really have to treat it good. You have to take care of hair. I don't know why people buy wigs and then you expect them to hold up, but you're not doing your end and your part, making sure the hair is being maintained. So curly hair means curly hair products. Overall, I'm gonna rate this unit a 9 out of 10. I only took a point off because I did have to go in and kind of secure the size down. As you see how it's styled, you're not gonna see like the end of it lifting anyway, so you can be fine either way, but that's the reason why I docked a point off. So y'all, I'm in love with this unit. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I'll be sure to link this unit down in the description section below. So, and until my next one, your girl, see you later. Bye guys.